Namah Shivaya. Now we already know about 4 of our bodies. The physical body that we can touch and see, the etheric body which encapsulates the physical body, the astral body which contains our thoughts, and the causal body which contains all our experiences and belief and faith. Now encapsulating all these 4 bodies is our final body, which is the bliss body. It is also called the Anandamaya Kosha, which literally means that which is made of bliss. Our bliss body is pure, is always pure. It can never get contaminated. It is our connection to the source of cosmic energy. So the bliss body is constantly receiving the purest form of cosmic energy. But as the cosmic energy filters through the rest of our bodies, which are not so pure, the energy gets contaminated, and by the time it reaches us, we experience a contaminated form of energy. In order to experience our bliss body, we must purify our 4 lower bodies. Once we do that, we can reach our bliss body and experience the peace and calm that comes with it. Now this pure energy, in a state of thoughtless, pure energy, whatever we desire comes to fruit very quickly, because everything is made of energy, and if we have access to the purest and the most powerful form of energy which the universe is sending us, then we can direct that energy to create whatever we desire in life. So the entire point of this exercise is to purify our bodies, the physical, the etheric, the astral and causal, so we can reach our bliss body. And once there, we can do whatever we desire. We can create things, we can experience the bliss, we can create wonderful relationships. Whatever it is that you desire in life, it becomes very easy for you to create. We experience this bliss body, a glimpse of it, in a state of deep, dreamless sleep. But at that point, we are unconscious. Even though we are unconsciously entering our bliss body, still we feel so fresh, relaxed, and peaceful after a deep, dreamless state of sleep. That is because we have entered the bliss body, and that has healed us completely. And so we wake up fresh and energized. Now in our next meditation, what we are going to do is we're going to align all of our subtle bodies with the physical body. Once these bodies are aligned, we can experience the bliss body, because the energy that flows through the bliss body is getting contaminated, flowing through the causal body, flowing through the astral body, flowing through the etheric body, and finally reaching the physical body. When we align our 5 bodies, we are effectively creating a path for the energy to reach us in its purest form. In this meditation, we're going to use the power of the breath. We're going to breathe in a certain way. We're going to breathe using our physical body. We're going to breathe with the 5 bodies. So when we breathe with the 5 bodies, we visualize these layers of energy. And when we inhale, we feel as if, the air is inhaling through the bodies. And using the power of Bij mantras. That's very important, because these Bij mantras, they are cosmic sounds. They have very powerful, pure, positive energy. And these Bij mantras have the power to purify all the impurities that exist within our subtle bodies and the physical body. Once we do that, once we reach the bliss body, we will experience the bliss, and our limitations will start disappearing. Namaste.